Hi, last video we discussed about the physical year on ByDesign system, and we can find in the setting of physical year there's accounting closing period type, process type, which identifies some like period end, quarter end, and also the year end. So this video I will discuss detailedly on the closing step in ByDesign system. The closing step classify posting according to when they are made during the period end or year end, even quarter end closing. In the system, you can open and close the individual accounting period within a physical year when a period is closed. No journal entry with the posting date within that period are allowed. To find this setting or to change the configuration, we're going to find that under the General Ledger Work Center. And here have the open and close period. Enter there. We can find there are lots setting on the book and also refers to the company and also the accounting period at here. Under this part, we can see a first allow step and the next allow step. And also for the year beginning, the first step always the 001 opening balance. So what that means, which means is used to post opening balance for balance carry forward from the previous physical year. You can only assign this closing step to the first accounting period of the physical year. So which means the first period beginning always that one. Okay, then we can find the operational posting, which used to automatically post the business transaction from the application area outside of financials. When you assign this closing step to an accounting period, all posting are permitted in this accounting period. There are two types of closing step in the operational. The other called late operational posting. It is for operational posting that you want to post manually in an accounting period that has been closed for operational posting, which means after the operational posting. By the way, the operational posting not only work for automatically, also work for manually. So when we choose the late operational posting, just because we want to post something late, but it is late. In the closing step, we have the closing entry, adjusting entry for income statement by nature of expenses, and closing balance. Okay, what's this three difference? The closing entry is for manual closing posting and automatically posting during the automatic closing activities, which means you just leave it to automatically, and when the period ends, it will go to the closing entry. And adjusting entry for income statement by nature of expenses. It is for adjusting journal entry that you need to make when you want to create your income statement by nature of expenses. The closing balance. It is for posting closing balance during the balance carry forward. You can only assign this closing step to the last accounting period for a physical year. The last one, the profit and loss calculation of retained earning, this is always on the year end, which is the last step of closing the balance. For posting profit or loss in this balance sheet, during the balance carry forward, you can only assign this closing step to the last accounting period of a physical year. That is how can we change the closing step in ByDesign system. And if you feel this default closing step not enough fit to your business, we also can add more closing step on the business ByDesign system. To configure that, we go into the business configuration work center and also go into the first implementation. I'm waiting for load it. We open the activity list. In the search box, we're going to search the closing step. And here, by default, this is not in the project, so I usually just say if we want to open it and the system maybe say there's a error, say activities read only, setting cannot be changed. So how can we let change it, just add it to the project, and also change the step to in process, and then we enter in there. So right now we can make the change of following step. So if we feel this is not enough to use, we can also add a row and give the step name and also its description. That is the closing step. See you in the next video. Have a good day.